Ready to ditch the stock photos and create a landing page that truly was your audience using the power of AI. First, fire up Midjourney in Discord. We'll craft prompts specifically designed for web design. Think about the overall aesthetic you're aiming for: minimalist, bold, playful, be specific. Next, focus on individual landing page elements instead of generic images. Generate hero sections, call to action buttons, even entire layout concepts. Use keywords like user interface, web design, and landing page in your prompts to guide Midjourney. Fine-tune your prompts to generate UI components. Specify the style, color palette, and functionality you need. You can create unique icons, engaging form fields, or eye-catching buttons. Don't be afraid to experiment with different layouts. Midjourney can generate a range of options, giving you a solid foundation to build upon. Consider adding keywords like grid layout or responsive design. Finally, integrate your AI-generated elements into your website builder of choice. With a little tweaking, you'll have a custom landing page that's both visually stunning and highly effective. Go on, start designing.